Bye.
Hi.
Tonight is
Movie night.
Movie
and
night.
We've got potato chips on pizza.
Look at that crunch. Oh, that's ASMR that. Yeah.
Oh my God. And Twilight's in the background.
Twilight. I've never seen Twilight, and so Marga, we're
So
watching.
playing
tonight.
it.
It's gonna be a wild night, guys. Crunchy pa? Oh, there's that crunch.
Definitely for the salty lovers.
Oh, that's salty lovers.
Mm-hmm.
What's the other one? Amore?
Mm-hmm.
That love. Why is it called Amore? Isn't Amore love?
Mm-hmm.
Love.
It's like meat lovers.
Oh, okay. But we have a salty lovers now, so they can't call it meat lovers.
Mm-hmm.
Noted. Cheers.
Alright.
And like, there's really nothing like it here.
I agree. Oh, it's not just the crust. It's the way that they, like when it arrives, it's like so warm. And then the cheese, like the way
Yeah.
that.
And like the honey
mozzarella.
chili too.
Oh yeah.
Too good. This really feels like movie night in one pizza.
That's true. It's like so much. Like it's just like, but it makes sense. I don't know how to explain it. Like I was like thinking like as a joke. I was like, this sounds so interesting. Like just to try it. I was like, I did not think you were going to be like G for it, but
You know what I realized I don't like on pizza? Prosciutto. Cause like when you bite it, it's not a clean bite. Like you have to wrestle with it for a bit. I'm kind of scared. Post movie review. What are your thoughts?
it was very interesting. It is a choice. We chose willingly and we finished it.
We're not quitters. Life lesson that you can take away from this movie.
I really don't know.
Pay attention to the red flags.
You feel it all throughout the movie.
I really felt like I was intruding on something there.
Twilight, New Moon, Eclipse, Breaking Down Part 1, Breaking Down Part 2.
Why do you know this?
I thought-
she is a fan.
No! Obviously, it progresses, like, they become older. There's,
Oh,
like,
what?
yeah, there's like a war later.
She okay. This is fake.
I'm aware.
She really likes this show.
Oh my, how do they have children?
Good question. Here is my question to throw you in for a bigger loop.
Okay.
So they come out as babies, like newborn children, right? But they're vampires.
Not like Shrek. You know, another thing that comes into my mind is when the babies of Shrek came out, and then no, the donkey dragon in Shrek. Okay, I digress.
Okay, back to my question.
Cartoon.
We have a lot of questions. So like the baby of Bella comes out as a newborn, but they're vampires, so they don't age.
But they do age.
So
But
why?
maybe they age faster. I think they age faster and then they stop at a certain time. Like, that's a guess. That's a you know.
It's an educated guess.
Yeah,
it's a
educated guess.
what do you call those?
I don't
It's a
know.
hypothesis or something.
Yeah, tell me if I was right.
Comment down below. So what should we watch now?
Modern Family.
Let's come back into present time.
Not 2008. Man, no wonder people were so emo.
Oh my gosh, 2008. When we were 11 and in our emo phase.
I was playing Club Penguin.
Playing Club Penguin. But like 11-year-olds now, their emo phase looks like Olivia Rodrigo's Good For You or
Brutal.
Brutal. That's what, it's not fair. And this is where we will end our discussion for tonight. Good night.
Good night.
Good morning.
Mom.
In college fashion, we're having our leftover pizza for breakfast. We miss you, Jules.
Miss you, Julia.
Marga's here again. She's a work from home queen or something. And I'm watching the Bold Type with her. She's seen everything, all of the seasons, right?
Yes.
And I'm just starting. I like it.
It's so good.
I'm watching them play tennis.
It's sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So, but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do
How did you guys like tennis?
nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care.
Hey, thanks for dinner.
Sure, we're having West Empire. Yums. We got hakao, lemon chicken fillet, yam chow fried rice, and chicken feet for me. This is Marga and Julia's post-tennis meal.
You also. You did tennis this morning.
And we're watching the Bold Type again. What do we say? Can't say bon appetit because it's Chinese. Let's eat. Woo! Margie, this is day X of working from my house.
Erin has the internet. So, Erin, what is this? Beef
Okay.
kebab?
This is beef cholo kebab. This
Beef
is
chalo.
chicken biryani,
Chicken biryani.
falafel,
Falafel, crispy healthy.
right? This is hummus, and I got a mango yogurt shake.
Ooh, for your colon.
Yeah, we're just tackling all the cuisines. I don't think I showed you, but last time on Friday, Julia was here and we had Chinese,
Chinese, yeah.
Filipino Chinese for
Prior to
dinner.
that, we had Italian.
We had Italian.
Italian.
Yes. What's next? We'll see. We have 2 more days with this lady, probably also at my house. Let's dig in. Look at the sky. It looks like a painting.
But it's harder to see when you're stuck in a dream. So but you keep on.
I'm taking a walk with this girl, but
Hello.
can't stop working. This is our sunset walk.
Hoping that you'll be okay.
Fingers.
Don't stay looking out the window. And how late Do you plan on going nowhere? Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how
Living
late
life on
do
the
you
wild.
plan on going nowhere? Afraid of all the
This
things you
one's
don't
peach
know.
or Aaron.
There's so
And then I got melon.
you should care.
How am I gonna last?
It's begun. Cheers. So, this is post dinner drinks and snack. Oh, post dinner, post work.
Post-work.
We have the lineup is star fruit or balimbing
With salt.
seaweed salt,
And ice cream.
and ice cream.
Fish ice cream. The lemon ice cream.
And wine. We are celebrating
Nothing.
nothing. We just want to have a good time.
Cheers. We just trying to live our best lives.
Yes. Cheers.
Let's eat.
Oh, okay. It's very fake yellow inside.
Wow, that is neon yellow. That is like some Mountain
Ooh.
Dew level stuff there. We got a fish. Wine free over here.
It's so good.
It didn't happen.
Margie.